as we understand biology, that translates into new therapies that allows us to develop things that are focused on the disease. Once you have that understanding for the biology of the disease, you can develop drugs that target that, really exploiting the differences between, for example, a normal lymphocyte and a malignant lymphocyte, use of the immune system in off-the-shelf approaches that allow us to have our therapies available to patients not only at large academic medical centers, but also at small community sites. From a big picture perspective, the unmet need is curing the disease. And outside of a few diseases right now, like for example, diffuse large B-cell lymphoma or Hodgkin lymphoma, most of the patients that are treated with the intent of control, but really have no demonstrated ability to cure those particular diseases. We're not designing trials to answer easy questions. We're designing trials by challenging current standards that are relevant now. The decisions made for the development of our therapeutics in hematologic malignancies are made based on the most important questions that are relevant to patients with those diseases. And so we're not sitting in an ivory tower thinking about how should we focus on a particular area. From my perspective, we're taking our experiences from the clinic, from the feedback that we get from patients, what we learn from current standards of care and clinical trials, and then forming what we think are the most relevant questions to patients, and then using all of the power, the resources, the intelligence within AstraZeneca to try to address those questions for our patients.